Let's get started first with the basic. Give the lady a right hand turn, so you can use that as an excuse to switch hands, and underneath ask for the other hand. 1, 2, 3. Now this will not feel very normal, cross-body leaning the lady like this. 5, 6, and 7. Have this confusion in your hands. The left is up, the right is in close to your neck. Keep that right hand there. Count 1, 2, bring your left. Now as the lady is passing by on 5 and 6 and 7, you're going to throw with your left, throw with your right, catch with your left, catch with your right. Rewind that part and practice it. Alright? Now let's do this side. What's happening next? The lady's going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and turn her all the way. Notice my body has to twist a little bit out of alignment in order to get this going. Hold the lady using your side of your arm so she doesn't move, and just wear this on top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Go behind, 2, 3, enter on 5, turn on 6 and 7. Alright, but now we'll do it from the beginning, from the actual side, and rewind it so you see it from the other side, what's happening there, okay? Let's go from the top. 1, 2, con una vuelta, 5, 6, thank you very much. 1, 2, unnatural, 5, 6, keep it happening. Relax the fingers, 3, throw, throw, catch, catch. This is from the other side we practice. 5, 6, stop the lady, where the hand on 1, 2, 3, roll her 5, 6, next to you, behind her 2, 3. Now enter with the right on 5, turn on 6, the hand is already coming. Finish the lady a nice surprise, turn on 7. Right hand over on 1, 2, 3, reach for the right shoulder on 5, 6, 7. So this is simply a crossbody lead with a half a turn. Here's a very easy but fun thing to do. 1, 2, pull the lady in on 3, let her step on 5, push her on 6 and 7, and guys, you're going to turn to the left. Boom. Now we do what I like to call the yo-yo. 1, 2, 3. The lady absorbs, and 1, 2, 3. Notice as a guy I'm just positioning. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Continue now to wear this over the lady's head and allow her to swivel so you can push her out on 2 and 3. Switch hands, then go straight, straight, and turn the lady. Now here's a nice fun part. Use your body, locking with your hand, 2, 3, and you're pulling the lady by turning your body on 5, 6, 7. Finishing up, 1, 2, 3, lift up the leg and softly touch the lady to give her a stop, a push back, and then turn to your left and into your basic. I hope you like it, guys. Make sure you comment and rate, and I'll see you on the next Salsa or Bachata video. See ya!